Let's review this best friend mason jar nightlight. Now, we're off to one of our best friend's birthday parties, and we got her this mason jar light to remind her daily of our friendship. The front features a true friendship mission, and inside there are 20 warm LED white lights and also a star pattern holographic paper. And that creates a soft, steady glow. As you can see, you just turn it on, a beautiful glow, and you can see the hologram stars. Now, these lights don't flash, so it's a perfect relaxing accent for a table, a nightstand, or a shelf. The jar measures about 5 inches tall, and it doesn't take up much space, so you can put it in most places to accent but not overtake the space. The set includes the mason jar, the LED lights, the star paper, decorative twine to place along the top, and it runs on 2 AA batteries, which are not included, but you just simply insert them right here and you have your on-off switch, and that makes it easy to place anywhere without having electrical wiring in the way. Now, this is a charming friendship gift, and it's for any occasion, reminding that special friend how much they really mean to you, and that's why for me it's a definite gotta get.